Hi student, this is Vijayanandana. Welcome to our online classes. So, student, successfully we have completed our first chapter, that is from home to. Yes or no? So I think everyone studied and everyone saw my video. But once again, I am here for you. Once again, we will review our first chapter. Means we will go through our books and come to know how we are belongs to our universe, means from our home also, our country also, all things are belongs or all things are comes under universe. Okay, so first chapter is, the chapter name is from home to, means where we are staying every day, that from home to means that home is belongs to where, at least where it is belongs to, means it is all things we have discussed are inverse, where everyone and everything are exist, that means are living, okay, in this universe only. So student, come we will study once again through our book. So this is the from home to, okay, everyone see the books from home to, okay, that is Pritesh Patpatia has a pet name, okay, Pritesh Patpatia has a pet name. Pet name means there is good name and pet name, means a good name and nickname in your whom you will call your parents. If your name is Rahul, sometimes your parents in your school they will call Rahul Chandra Chatterjee. Rahul Chandra Chatterjee. In your school or in your academy they will call Rahul Chandra Chatterjee. But in your school very lovely or very affectionately they will call Rahul or Rahul. Like this is your pet name. Similarly, Pritesh Patpatia has a boy, child like you, okay. He likes to spell in capital letters always pet, okay. Pritesh Patpatia means PPET, that is called pet. Its full form is Pritesh Patpatia. He is clever boy, very clever boy like you also, who likes to enjoy life and have fun at the same time. Who likes to enjoy life and he wants to also enjoy the same time. He has already made interesting plan for himself. For everyone there is a plan. You are making how the planning for to go in holiday, to go different places to enjoy and to relatives home, like this. He is Pritesh Patpatia. You can see in this picture his name is Pritesh Patpatia. He wants to enjoy his life and he wants to fun in his life, okay. So his name is Pritesh Patpatia. Pet, nickname is Pet. His pet name is Pet. Explain that it stands for, means PP, it stands for Pritesh Patpatia Explorer and Traveler. So this boy name is Pritesh Patpatia Explorer and Traveler. That means he wants to explore and travel. He wants to travel different parts of our country or world or anything and explore it, means to know about different fact about it. He want to enjoy, he want to learn new things about different places of our country. So to know, study about these things, we discuss this boy name is Pritesh Patpatia, who is likes to enjoy his life and at same time he wants to fun also, and he wants to always explore or identify or to seek information about different types of the parts of our country, of our world, of our universe. So let's start his journey, how he is going to learn about his locality, about his society, country, then continent, then Milky Way, solar system and universe. What we have studied already, I explained you. Through this boy, how books given information to us, okay. Through, like you also think you are in like another Pritesh Patpatia Explorer and Traveler, okay. So here you see different kinds of picture is given. That means sometimes he is climbing the mountain, sometimes he moving around the places, sometimes he is fishing, and sometimes he is eating or taking pictures some other wildlife animals, and he is drawing sometimes, and he is looking through the telescope he is observing or he is seeing the moon or stars. Okay, so different kinds of things he is doing in his life. How you will do always, how you are always interesting or curiosity or enthusiasm in your mind, that you want to know different places, you want to know different new things. So like this, another boy is Pritesh Patpatia, explorer and traveler. He wants to know about all things about our world. Okay, so come with me. So this is, first before going to know, I will tell you Pritesh Patpatia. Okay, P-P-E-T, that means Pritesh, P-R-I-T-E-S-H, Pritesh Patpatia, P-A-T-P-A-T-I-A, Patpatia, explorer and traveler. So Pritesh Patpatia, explorer and traveler. Explorer means to know new things. Okay, traveler means to search another, to go another places. So this is like one boy who wants to explore or travel different types of places of our country or of our world. Okay, so let's come with me. So see, this is the first. This is Pritesh Patpatia. He is a boy like you. Okay, you just relate. When I am relating Pritesh Patpatia, you just relate with you also when I am reading the books. Okay, so this is the Pritesh Patpatia's home. Like this you think your home. Okay, you are sitting, and this is the locality. Okay, this is the society means where the Pritesh Patpatia's home is there, near to another homes are, many homes are there. I told you our society or neighborhood, like this is society means where you are staying. If you are staying in Bidapur colony, you look at around yourself, many houses are there, that is called society. Okay, now that society comes under, that is locality. Yes or no? Now you come out to your home and see different houses are there, not in nearer, they are far away also, different houses are there. It may be 2-3 kilometer or somewhat distance. That is called your locality, local region. Okay, that local region comes under also the city. Means his Pritesh Patpatia's home comes under Bhopal. Where? Bhopal. Like this, your home comes under city Gulbarga. Okay, Gulbarga. Or your city comes under, or capital is Karnataka capital is Bangalore. Okay, like this you think. Now this is your Karnataka capital, or this is his capital is Bhopal, means he is comes under MP state, but you are comes under Karnataka state. Your capital is Bangalore, his capital is Bhopal. Okay, Madhya Pradesh, MP. Okay, and their city, Bhopal city comes under our state India. See, our state Madhya Pradesh. Bhopal comes under state Madhya Pradesh. Our state, your state comes under Bangalore. Okay, now your Bangalore comes under your country India, and his state Madhya Pradesh comes under also India. Understood? Now our India comes under Asia continent. I said continent. What is continent? Continent means our earth part, our land part of our earth divided into 7 types. That is, different types of continent are there: Asia, South America, North America, Africa, Antarctica, Europe, or like this. Asia is our India comes our India comes our Asia continent, that is Asia. Okay, the continent is Asia. Now here also comes under our country, means our state Karnataka comes under India country comes under Asia country. Okay, all our India countries, how many states are there? Comes under India, Asia state. Okay, now Asia continent. Now Asia continent comes under the world. What? The world. Look at, this is our world, means that world is comes under our earth. Yes or no? I discussed about what is world and what is earth. Where earth, where all world and all countries, cities, other peoples are there. That is all includes in our earth. Okay, that is all includes our earth. Look at very carefully. Now our earth is comes under our solar system. Okay, now our earth means, look at here, this is our India country, comes under solar system. That is solar system. Solar system. So see here, this is the solar system I have discussed with you. This is the sun, very hot, where we are getting light from our sun. First inside middle sun is there, then Mercury, then Venus, then here Earth. For Earth, natural satellite is Moon, and for Earth, Mars is there, then Jupiter, then Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, and Pluto is given. Pluto, if you will remember, you can remember another planet is there. If you will not remember also, it's okay. 8 planet, it's okay with 8 planet. Okay, so like this, in this solar system, our planets, this is our planet. That planet is comes under our solar system. Okay, that planet is what I am told you, because I told you it is a small model of our Earth. We can study about with the help of globe of about our Earth. Like this, you see, our Earth is comes under our Earth is comes under our solar system. Okay, so our solar system now comes under our the Milky Way. Okay, Milky Way, I said you that all parts so see student, now our solar system comes under the galaxy. Okay, that is our solar system comes under our galaxy. Understood? Then in your book it is given. See, our solar system means that solar system which comes under our galaxy. That is, look at here. So that solar system is comes under this galaxy, and we have discussed about our galaxy. Yes or no? Look at very carefully. In that galaxy, our solar system is there. Means there are 8 planets and sun, moon, asteroid, meteors, gases, and dust particles are all including in galaxy. Understood? Now this galaxy is comes under the universe. Okay, that is space or universe. Okay, that is universe. All the solar system comes under galaxy. Now the galaxy comes under universe. That is called universe. Means from our home to our universe. Understood? See, now that galaxy comes under our universe. So student, what you are observing here? See student, very carefully you see here. This is the Pritesh Patpatya, like a boy like you. He is a boy like you. His home is here. This home comes under the locality, society. Society comes under locality. Locality comes under city, and city comes under state. State comes country, country comes under continent Asia, continent comes under world, world continent comes under globe means earth, earth comes under our solar system. Among the 8 planet, our 8 earth planet is another. So here earth is there, see, and our solar system comes under galaxy, galaxy is comes under universe. That means this is the last position to reach from home to universe. Understood? That what you understood from this? That means student, our home is our home. Everything I said you, all everything whatever matter, space and other things are inside our universe, means including our universe. That means all the things and space matter, all of things are including our space, that in our universe. That means a universe is where everything and everyone can exist. Understood? So all the things from here to here, all the things comes under that universe. In that universe, his home is there, his locality, country, state and universe, earth and solar system, galaxy is there in that universe. So understood student? That means we can shortly conclude it. We can conclude it. If this is Pritesh Patpatia, explorer traveler, home is there. Okay? If his home is there, that home comes under our, I said, earth. Yes or no? You just leave the locality and state. You just comes under the our earth. Okay? Our earth means our country. You see, in country we are sitting. In our country, India, we are living. That country you see, that country is on earth surface. That means we are comes under earth surface. Understood? That means Pritesh Patpatia, explorer and traveler, is comes under our planet Earth. Means we are also, our home also comes under our Earth, because his home is in Bhopal, MP, our home is in Gulbarga, Karnataka. That means his home also comes under Earth, our home comes under our Earth. That means Pritesh Patpatia home comes under our planet Earth. Okay? That means it is a planet, yes or no? Now I said our planet, that planet is comes under solar system, because we studied our planet Earth is comes under solar system. Among the 8 planets, our planet is another one. Yes or no? So that means comes under solar system. Yes or no? Understood? How it is? We are belongs to our, like a part our home is belongs to earth is belongs to solar system. Okay? Now solar system comes under galaxy. I said just now galaxies. Now the galaxy comes under, yes, our galaxy comes under universe. Okay? Universe. Understood? First, Pritesh Patpatia's home comes under Earth, means planet. That planet comes under solar system. Okay? Solar Earth. First you see solar system, then solar system is galaxy. Solar system also comes under our galaxy, and galaxy comes under our universe. Means that inside the universe everything are here exist, and we are living inside our universe only. Okay? So we are belongs also in our universe. We are first living in our locality, means in our home. That locality, country and everything is comes under our earth planet. That planet comes under our solar system. That solar system comes under galaxy, and galaxy comes under lastly universe. That means if I draw the universe here, see these all things comes under universe. Okay, if the blackboard is the universe and the blackboard is the whiteboard is the universe, in that universe Pritesh Patpatya explorer and traveler home is there, and this home is comes under our earth is there, and earth is comes under solar system, and solar system comes under galaxy. That means all things comes under the our universe. Okay, that means universe is too large, it is imaginary, we cannot imagine. So in that universe, our planet, our solar system, all things are there, galaxy is there, in that galaxy our solar system is there, in that solar system our planet is there. So just think, relate, our solar system planet is there, in that planet our planet earth is there, in that earth our country is there, in Asia is there, in Asia our country is there, in that country our state is there, in that state our Gulbarga is there, and Gulbarga Bidapur colony is there, in that Bidapur our home is there. Understood? That means from home to universe means universe. Okay, now we can reverse, we can write. See here another way. If it is universe, okay, it is universe, you think it is universe. Okay, in that universe who comes? Reverse, galaxy. Okay, galaxy. In that galaxy who will come? Solar system. Solar system, yes or no? Solar system, in that universe galaxies come, and galaxy, in that galaxy solar system is comes. In solar system who will come? Our planet Earth. See, I will put arrow mark. Okay, or when Earth comes under solar system comes under galaxy comes under universe. Okay, then our Earth comes under our home, means our home, or Pritesh Patpatya as home. Okay, means yours home, also yours home. Understood? Means where you are staying, this home is comes under. See, your home is comes Earth. Look at it carefully. Earth comes to solar system, and solar system comes to galaxy, and lastly galaxy comes to universe. Okay, so that means everything, our home, continent, galaxy, solar system, all are inside the universe. Okay, if you will imagine, then go through the books, read carefully and imagine, and then see my whole video, then you will get it properly. So once again we will come to here. See, it is Pritesh Patpatya, and explorer and traveler very excited to. He writes down his full address, paste it outside his bedroom door. He feels very important. That is, whatever he wants to know, whatever things he wants to get information, these things he wants to paste in front of his bedroom. Okay, he is enjoy exploring and learning about the new things. How you are also excited to learn new things, he also likes to explore or learn new things. He decided to improve his knowledge about every place in his address. Okay, whatever places you address, you see carefully here. First is Pritesh Patpatya, explorer and traveler, B13 Millennium Tower, Alkananda, Bhopal. उनका घर, where is your home? Bhopal. In Bhopal, his home is Bhopal. Okay, Madhya Pradesh, India, Asia, world, Earth, solar system, Milky Way, universe. Okay, that means total his address comes under universe only. Okay, how will you give some address to other person? Means if someone wants to come or someone wants to send a letter to our home or to your parents, you will give some address. Means first Bidapur colony we will give first, that is Bidapur colony. Then this is your home, and house number 135. Example, okay. Then your post office, your police station, then your district, then your state, yes or no? Then your country address, then your mobile number, then country comes to, after that country comes to Asia, okay, Earth, solar system, then solar system comes under galaxy, then galaxy comes under universe, okay. That means if we are going to universe, then we will give our address. If someone is going to come universe or going to their universe, we will give address like that. But we are giving address up to our country or our Asia, because we are not going to our universe. But all things, all countries in our Earth planet. See, this is our, once again I am telling, this is our Earth planet. It means here all state or all countries are there. All countries, not only our country, other countries, Africa, China, South America, or Europe, China, and other countries, Pakistan, Nepal. So every countries are there, America. So like this, all countries are in our Earth. Okay, in that Earth is comes under our, once again I am telling, solar system. That solar system comes under galaxy, and galaxy comes under our lastly universe. That means we are comes under totally universe. Okay, I said it is whiteboard is our universe. That inside that whiteboard, or all things are comes under, means our home, our state, our locality, our society, our country, our Asia continent, our Earth, our solar system, and everything, our galaxy comes under that universe. That means universe is very big universe. Okay, very large. We cannot imagine. In that universe, everything and everyone are exist. Okay, understood, student? So this is all about, I discussed about what is universe and what is Milky Way and what is solar system. So what is solar system, everything I discussed through the video. And lastly we will discuss what we studied. Okay, first we studied the universe where the everything and everyone exists. First, the universe where everyone and everything exists. The sky, we discuss about the sky. The sky is the area above the earth which is clouds, sun, moon, star, etc. can be seen. If we look at the earth, then in daytime we can say sun, clouds, in night time moon, stars. So this is called our sky. Then third one is the galaxy, is a collection of stars, planets that are held together by gravity. I discussed about galaxy. In that galaxy, everything, star, planet, and all planet, star, sun, and other asteroid, meteors, and other gaseous particles are there by their gravity, by a certain force. Okay. Fourth point is our solar system belongs to Milky Way. Before I said you, our solar system belongs to our Milky Way. Now our solar system consists of sun and 8 planets and other asteroid, meteors, and other gas and dust particles are there. So this is all about your from home to, means our home belongs under the first thing is our home belongs to under any locality, city, or our country. Our country comes under Asia, and Asia comes under our world, and world comes under our earth comes under our solar system, solar comes under our galaxy comes under our universe. That means all things means our whole Asia, our earth, all things comes under universe. So universe is very huge, imaginary. Okay, we cannot think, we cannot imagine how much large, how much distance is it. Okay, only we can think in universe everything are exists. But we are living in our planet, lovely planet, that name is our Earth. Okay, it is also called blue planet. Yes or no? In that planet only life can exist. We can survive in that planet. We cannot survive in other planets like Mercury, Venus or Jupiter, because life can exist in this planet. Understood everybody? I think everybody understood very carefully. And any doubt you may ask in my comment box. And student, see the whole video, and any doubt ask through directly phone or in my comment box. And subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and share my channel, then you will get all the video from me. Thank you student, take care.